You wake up tired. You scroll your phone. Suddenly it is late, and the day already feels heavy. If that feels familiar, stay here. Because one of today's lines will describe your life a little too perfectly. In the next few minutes, you will learn 10 simple English expressions people use in real life. Not book English. Not exam English. The kind that sounds natural when you speak. The kind that fits your daily life. And one of them will feel so real, you might pause and smile. Let's start. My day started on empty. This means you began the day with no energy. For example, my day started on empty, so I moved slowly this morning. My phone stole my morning. This means your phone wasted your morning time. For example, my phone stole my morning, and I rushed everything. You open your eyes. You check one message, then another, and suddenly the morning is gone. If that feels real, the next one might hit you. My brain is lagging today. This means your thinking feels slow. For example, my brain is lagging today, I need a break. I am busy doing nothing. This means you look busy, but nothing important gets done. For example, I am busy doing nothing, and the day just disappears. If you have felt that, wait for this one. My motivation took a nap. This means you don't feel like trying. For example, my motivation took a nap, so I delayed the task. You open your laptop. You stare at the screen. You close it. That feeling. This next one explains that moment. My focus slipped away. This means you can't concentrate. For example, my focus slipped away during the meeting. Be honest with yourself for a second. Which one felt like you today so far? I am stuck in waiting mode. This means you are waiting instead of taking action. For example, I am stuck in waiting mode, hoping things change. Most people feel this, but they never say it out loud. The next one puts a name to that quiet pressure. My thoughts are too loud. This means your mind won't calm down. For example, my thoughts are too loud at night, I can't sleep. Pause here. Say this slowly with me. My thoughts are too loud today. Say it once more. Good. That small moment helps your flow. We are almost there. These last ones are strong. I am tired of being tired. This means you are exhausted of feeling exhausted. For example, I am tired of being tired, I need real rest. One more. Small wins save my day. This means small progress makes you feel better. For example, I cleaned my desk. Small wins save my day. Maybe today you didn't change everything. But you showed up. You listened. Here is a simple brain secret. When you write your favorite expression in the comments, your brain remembers it longer. That is how memory works. So write the one that described your life today. If even one of these lines felt real to you, you are not bad at English. You just needed English that fits your life. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe so you can build your English step by step. Be proud of yourself.